Namaskar. Let's discuss the creation of put option with the help of an example. A farmer anticipates that at the time of crop harvest, say after 3 months, the crop price may see some reduction due to climatic conditions. He wants to safeguard himself from the reduction in price of crop, and he meets a crop dealer who desires to buy the crop at a price of rupees 200 per quintal after 3 months. Farmer pays him rupees 1000 today and buys a put option. So now in this case, farmer and dealer, these are two parties to the contract. Farmer is the buyer of put option, that is, he is buying a right to sell the crop to dealer after 3 months, right? And dealer is the seller of put option. And for this, the farmer pays rupees 10,000 to the dealer, right? So I'll repeat again that there is a farmer whose harvest will be ready after 3 months, but he anticipates that due to climatic conditions there will be a reduction in the price of crops and he won't be able to get the revenue which he thought of. So he wants to safeguard himself against the reduction in the price of crop. He meets another party who is crop dealer, and he is ready to enter into the contract at a price of rupees 200 per quintal, and the contract is to be executed after 3 months. And for this, today farmer pays rupees 1000. So this arrangement is known as put option, where farmer is the buyer of right to sell, that is buyer of put option, and dealer is the seller of put option, that is he is selling the right to sell to the farmer. Now let us see. Farmer is holder of put option. Dealer is writer of put option. In this case, farmer is enjoying the right to sell the crop, whereas dealer is under obligation. Exercise date in this case is 3 months. Exercise price is rupees 200 per quintal, and the option premium is rupees 1000, which is paid by holder, that is farmer, to the writer, that is dealer. Farmer is bearish about future. He feels that the prices of crops is going to come down in future, whereas writer of the put option, that is the dealer, is bullish about future. So in nutshell, we can define an option contract on put option as it is an instrument which gives holder. Who is the holder in our case? In our case, the holder is farmer, right? So this gives put option is an instrument which gives the holder. Holder is farmer. Right to sell is put option on an asset. Asset is crops at a specific price, that is 200, by a specific date, that is 3 months, to the writer of the put. Who is the writer of the put? Dealer. Fine. So put option is an instrument which gives the holder the right to sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a specific date to the writer of the put option. Thank you. This is all about how a put option can be created. Thanks a lot.